Hey guys, picked up here the Canary Flex from Best Buy. I have the original Canary, but wanted to go to add this one to it. If you guys can see, it has smarter technology, superior design, real security. I have the original one, and it works pretty good. It gives you alerts on your phone when there's movement and stuff. Here's all the specs in the back. I don't want to read the whole thing. You guys can read that, pause it, and read it. It's at Best Buy for $200 plus taxes, whatever taxes you pay on your area. Um, cool. Let's open this baby up. Get that out of the way. Nice black box. Nothing at the bottom. Just a nice, fancy, solid box. So it looks pretty cool. It's like almost like when you buy Beats, you know, it has that nice box feeling. Got a cut there. Ooh, look at that. Like super nice. Move this out of the way. Got your books. Pretty much tells you what it is on there. Plug it in, download the app, get connected. Accessories for even more versatility. So yeah, I have a baby in there, newborn on the way. Actually another one on the way. And want to keep this in the bedroom so that I keep track of those kids, you know. What is this? So the cradle comes with the power cable. It's a nice cord, very long cord, maybe about 6 feet or so. And the Canary crate, that's where your camera's gonna sit at. It has the thing for the mounting on the wall. It's magnetic. The actual charger was sticking to it. The USB thing. Put that to the side. Got your power brick, or your power circle brick. Nice looking. It's that matte black finish, glossy finish on top. And what else is in the box? A wall mount hardware. It's like a little foam circle to help you where you're gonna mount it, or maybe it's for spacing. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure what this might be for. Oh, maybe if you want to like stick it to something. I'm not sure. And then you have anchor for your drywall if you don't have a solid 2x4 that's going through. And that's pretty much everything that's in the box. The Canary, oh, this thing where it sits at. Wow, this thing has a nice solid weight to it. This is your power connection. That's where this goes into it. And it's magnetic also, so that there's no connecting, it just goes right to it. Nice and easy. It doesn't stand though. I heard that somebody tried to stand it. It won't stay like that, so. So know that that's the sensor on it. When it records, the ring lights up. That's the camera. I don't know what the little ones right there. That's a microphone hold right there. Has a speaker. I think it has the 80 decibel as well, like the original did. Let me check the box real quick. I don't see it anymore. Yeah, the original has a 90 decibel alarm that you can sound off and it'll scare crooks away. I'm not sure if this one has it, but we'll check it out later. I know it has a little speaker in here. It's supposed to be for a two-way communication. I'm not sure if they completed the software where a lot of people were saying that it wasn't available yet, but it's coming, I guess. So I don't know when. And then there's a connection here for, there's different accessories that they sell for the Canary that you can actually mount it onto an adaptation that goes into your lawn or whatever else you want to put it on. But this thing sticks pretty solid. Wow, that is a strong magnetic connection right there, dude. It's not gonna fall. It's pretty solid. And then you can put this anywhere when you mount it on the wall. You can set it like this, set it on the side, however you want it. You can stand it up straight onto your desk or tabletop, wherever you want to put it on. Excuse me. Cool, looks pretty good. Actually, it has a little reset button in here, or maybe a refresh button. That's the other thing that it has on here. So at least that good. It was about a pound, so pretty good. And then this also has like a book or something in here. Nope, nothing in it. Alright guys, so there you go. That's the unboxing of the Canary. If you guys have any questions, I could you guys send me a message or something. Anything you guys want to know about it. Alright, until next time, thank you.